This video is for all of you guys who helped out with the Ukrainian Saab project. The car has arrived. It got Ukrainian license plate, and someone is very happy to make this video for you guys as a thank you. And also check out the end credits where we list all the donations and all people who have helped out with this project. So be sure to check it out at the end of the video. Thank you. So, as mentioned earlier, this video is a big thank you to all the people that helped in the Ukrainian Saab project. It's also a testament to what we could achieve thanks to many Saab patriotic friends in so many nations. And yes, this was his car. I think it's around Cherniv, and it was totally destroyed, as you can see. And this was a super nice Saab with Hirsch wheels and so many extra modifications, and he loved his Saab, and he's very particular that the car should be the right car, sort of speaking. And I thought maybe we could gather some money and get a new Saab, because Saabs are not that expensive in Sweden, if we can find the right car. So I asked him, and maybe you like a 9.3, like a 2007, 2009, or we can find maybe not a low mileage, but a kind of cheap car. But no, that was not possible. If there was one car he wanted, it was the Saab 9.3, old generation Aero from 2000-2002. That was his car that he wanted, a little bit old school. It's a really cool car, and I thought maybe we can find such a car. So we started funding at Facebook. It only took 2 nights. People usually online on nights. So the second night we had 17,000 Swedish crowns for a car. It's not that much of money, of course, but maybe it could be enough if we were lucky. So we threw out a question to some Saab boards, and one guy in particular stood out, and his name was Peter. Peter had a 9.3 Aero in very nice condition with the leather seats and everything original. And the car was tuned, and it had lots of extra stuff. And he really wanted to help with the Ukrainian Saab project. And he have really made everything on this project, and he make everything work. So thanks to Peter, we got to buy the car pretty cheap, only 12,000, and also we could buy some extra Saab parts, that was perfect. And then the money was out, no more money, sadly, but that was what we needed, actually. So that was perfect. The only problem was that suddenly Ukrainian authorities said that on the 25th of May we will stop all importation of tax-free cars, sort of speaking, because they had tax-free exempt of cars because they needed so much car for the military and government and everything you can imagine. So suddenly there was a huge rush. We needed to get the car to Ukraine, and I was on holiday, of course, sadly. We made it through a couple of friends of the Ukrainian guy. One who lives here in Sweden had a friend in Poland who flew over to Stockholm, Arlanda, picked up the car and went by ferry back to Poland. And another guy drove it from Poland to Ukraine. So incredible mission. And that everything just worked out is amazing, because we needed a new paperwork. We signed the car over to me. We got the new insurance and everything, so there will be no hassle. And the insurance papers were okay. The owner papers arrived on the same day that Peter was leaving from Luleå. Peter was driving the car for over 10 hours down to Stockholm. So then he flew back, of course. But that was an amazing achievement also. Peter done so much on this project, really. And the advantage of buying a car up in the north It's the same as buying a car from Gotland in Sweden. The roads are salt-free, so the cars are in very, very good condition. And luckily, there was very little rust on this car, and the engine looks to be in superb condition. It's amazing. The car is now in Ukraine. It's got Ukrainian registration plates, and we will deregister it from Sweden now. And this video, thank you so much for helping out. And I really just wanted to show you guys. It has arrived, the car has arrived, and he's very happy with the car, and think this will be a great project car. Of course, there's always something to do with the car, thank you so much for helping out, and hopefully we will see him on maybe a Saab meeting in Trollhättan, maybe next Saab festival or something. And also during the meantime, it's totally crazy. The Ukrainian Saab family have arranged a Saab meeting in Kiev, but due to the Russian aggression and invasion, they moved it to Lviv. Can you imagine? Don't you think, any event would be suspended? Now it's cancelled because of COVID or anything, more or less a Russian invasion. No, we're moving it to Lviv. So, guys, I know if you have the possibility to travel to Lviv, I think this autumn somewhere, we have to check the dates. You can go on a Saab meeting in Ukraine, and I think this will be very great. I will try my best to get time out of work, and I would love to travel there and hopefully attend the Saab meeting. Don't speak any Ukraine or Russian or anything, so this will be interesting. I speak the universal language of Saab though, so maybe it's possible. So until the next video, take care and see you later.
Згинуть наші вороженьки, як роса на сонці запанує, і ми, браття, у своїй сторонці. Душу й тіло ми положим за нашу свободу. Що ми, браття, козацького роду.